Hi guys! Yay! Airport na kami. First travel with Kai. Baby! Hi guys! Ayan si Baby Kai. Yay! Andito kami ngayon sa business class lounge at nagwi-wait kami ng aming flight. Ayan, gumagawa si Baby na. Didi ni Baby. Gutom na anak ko. Gutom na yan, no? Ay, hindi. Sorry. First travel namin kasama si Baby. Exciting. UK! So, yun na nga guys. Andito na kami ngayon sa lounge. Waiting kami sa plane. Mag-boarding na kami soon. Ayan. So, pinapadede na ni Baby si Baby Kai. Yes, first time na travel namin together. Sobrang nakaka-excite. Siyempre, expect mo na ang hassle pag may baby. Pero nandun yung talagang excited. In the end, diba? So, yun lang. Hopefully, soon sa Pinas naman kami magta-travel. Yes! Kai? Are you excited? Yeah! Huh? Are you excited? Hi! Ano? Hello? Yes! Yes! Excited naman yan, ano? Good boy! Big boy naman. 2 months ka lang ba talaga, anak? You don't look 2 months only, anak? Thank you. Yeah, it's there, darling.
It's going to be straight fries with the seed and the window seat. And the seed bowl has to be used, sir. Yeah. This one, I would request you if we can remove it for this. It's better to use this one. In case of emergency, when you have to save the baby, it's easier than this one. And we have baby meal in case you're...
Inaayos na ang seatbelt mo kay Kai. Ay, yes, give me some smile. Give me some smile. Ang pogi naman ng anak ko. Ay, thank you po. Ay, thank you po. I love you. Excited? You feel good? Bye. Ay. Giving some smile. Take off na guys. Brave naman ang baby namin. Wow. Thank you. The brave boy. Who's the brave boy? Ayan, busog-lusog na naman si Dora, oh. Siyempre, kailangan magbe-breastfeed tayo maya-maya. Well, actually, guys, sobrang sarap naman palagi ng mga food nila dito sa Qatar Airlines. Yes, guys, naku po. One of my favorite airlines talaga. And that's my main meal. Oh, diba? At si baby, kahit naman kumakain siya, talagang okay lang sa kanya. Nasa kanya si baby. Kai, hi! Ikaw na talaga, baby. Asan ka na, Tijavan? Landed in Doha, Qatar. Guys, ayan, connecting flight kami dito. Then, ang next flight namin is to Manchester, United Kingdom. Ayan na, guys. So, that will be for the next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!